Hey everybody, thank you guys for coming back to the channel. So in this video, I will be using these scissors. This is like 17 inches of stretch cord because I'm making a stretch cord bracelet. I'm using 12mm beads. This is the stopper. And this is the cording I use. I got this from Temu. I love it. This is really good. I like this better than I do the, the Stretch Magic. I love this because they're 1mm. This is a 1mm. It's a good, strong 1mm. So we're going to put that here. And let me show you the beads. These are the beads I'm using. These are 2mm beads, and I like these because they have the let me see, can I show you the big hole? Let's see, can I find that hole? You can see the hole there. I like these. That's going to hide the knot also. And I'm using these. These are some color washed, hand painted. I have like 3 different designs on these beads. And I'm in love with the little polka dots. You can see them better like that. And these are what I am going to use, and I think they are gorgeous. I haven't used a what do you call it, a lac to make them shiny because they're already shining. But I still, since I painted them, I still go back and use a sealer over the paint. So step on in, and thank you all to everyone who watched my videos. I greatly and really appreciate it. So we're going to use this bead first. You know, the beautiful color. And I did them because I love colorful beads and I love designing beads. And I'm using these filler beads because if I stacked all of these 12mm together, they would have like a gap. See how these are together? Right there. These are together. But with these bigger beads, you get a gap in your design. And I don't like the gap in my design, so I figured out a way to ungap. You'll see, you know, so we're just going to thread them along. You see that? Beautiful, beautiful. And we're going to do a wooden bead. And I love these wooden beads because of the big hole. I use these a lot on my 12mm beads. Okay. So I'm going to go back with a design like this since I have that. Can you see? Let's see. I'm going to move over a little bit so you can see. Since I have that stripe bead, then I have this beautiful design on that bead. I tell you, my phone do not do these beads justice at all. None of my work that I do. My phone, you know, give it justice. So we're just going to go along, you know, with the program and see how it comes out. But I hope you guys had a beautiful day today. Now, my day was kind of, I love this polka dot. Strange. I went to 4 different job places today. Now, remember me telling you, Michael sent me the offer letter, and after that, I went in. The manager said, well, we didn't get your signature, but I'm like, yes, I sent it back. I don't really think she knew what she was doing. But anyway, she said, I'm going to call you back. She never called me back, but I don't have time to be waiting around for anyone to call me back. And then I called her today, and she wasn't in, so I'm like, So I went on, and I hope I found something else. But I went to 4 different places today, and They really was not that successful, I'm going to be honest with you. The lady at the, I went to the Goodwill because that's right up above my house. You see how I'm stringing this? And she was looking at me like, sad. I'm like, yeah. And she like, I'll say a prayer for you. I said, thank you. And I said, I'll say a prayer for you also. You know, because times are hard out here. So I tell people, if you got you a little job, you might want to keep that job and stop job hopping. Because it's getting harder and harder to find decent jobs. I used to could go and just pick up. That's what I got so far. Just, you know, just go and pick up a job. But it don't work that way no more. You know, so now if I do take this job, we'll see tomorrow how what's going to transpire. That means I got to drive like 30 minutes just to get to the job into another county with the traffic. And I really didn't want to do that. But, you know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Now, I hope y'all can hear this video. I bought me some headphones. Not headphones, but some mics when I'm far away so I could pick up the sound. You know, you're out here doing this these videos, and sometimes you really don't know all these different methods. You know what I'm saying? I really, this is good. And I'm going to show you. Now, I could leave it this way because this would fit the wrist up to like a 9.5, maybe a 10. Even a man could wear theirs. It just depends on the essence of the man and who he is and his embodiment. But this is nice. I really do like this. Let's see if I want to leave it like that. That size. I might. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it this size. And this is probably like an 8.5. And let me show you what I was meant when I told you the beads buckle open. You see how I have it strung now? Very, very put together. With no openings. Like if these two beads, I wish I had some faceted beads. That would be nice. Like if I didn't have this in there and these two beads were together, when you put it on your wrist, it'll be open like that. And I don't like that. So that's why I thought about putting a bead in between to cover that. Because you want your pieces to look professional and nice. And even when someone put it on that have a bigger wrist, maybe like a 10, it's going to stay together. It's not going to, I call it like buckle open. But I might paint some more of these beads. Like I said, I'm still waiting on Fair to get back to me. So I hope they do accept. But if they don't, it got to be some other people similar to Fair. I'll have to Google that and submit applications in to them. And I'm almost done. We're 9 minutes into this. But this is for anybody who likes to make bracelets or who likes to bead. And I'm not going to use glue since I tied it so many times. And see, I'm using that big bead to hide the knot. You always want to hide your knot. And this is what I'm getting. Look at that bead there. You can see that detail on it. Now, when I painted these, I just used the bottle. I just go straight in the bottle and take the bottle and just move it about. You saw one day, I did a video back this summer telling you how I did these. But look at the polka dots. More like a, what type of design, or how I want to say it, freestyle. I kind of like freestyled on this neck, on this bracelet. And there it is. Beautiful. See? And I guess if I choose to, wear it, I could wear it also. I'm going to make some more of these. I like this. I think I used up every bead I had. So I'm going to have to go back in and color wash the beads and kind of get this design. But there you go, guys. Beautiful. Neutral gender, male or female or whoever could wear this. I think a lot like the African guys, they would embody this essence of this piece. Even some of the indigenous brothers of these lands, they would embody this also. It just takes a special person to wear this type of jewelry. Look at that. And I don't need charms, any of that. Because this piece is so bold, it just stands out on its own. That's my slogan. But guys, thank you. And I'll catch you in the next video. Let's take a picture. And let's move you out of the way. Y'all peace and y'all have a beautiful night.